contribution coming from Bangladesh for the treatment of my wife, Mrs. Sanzida Begum. She was suffering from mitral valve prolapse with severe heart failure and atrial fibrillation. She was initially treated in Bangladesh surgically for this condition, but unfortunately the operation failed and she again developed paravalvular leakage with severe heart failure and atrial fibrillation. Hearing the name of Dr. Y.K. Mishra from the operating surgeon of Bangladesh, I came to Manipal Hospital for redo surgery, and he did the redo surgery within 2 months of first surgery. And actually it was a dangerous surgery to repeat the surgery within 2 months, but he did it. After surgery, initial follow-up shows that valve is in good position and working well, and she is clinically improving. There are some other complication too, which was developed after surgery in the lung, and also complication in the diaphragm is also gradually improving with conservative management.